In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flights to your Google Calendar, both automatically and manually. Stick around to learn some handy tips and tricks to ensure you never miss a flight again. First off, let's start with accessing Google Calendar. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, click on the first result that appears. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that now. Type in your email address and click Next. Then enter your password and hit Next again. Voila, you're now logged in and ready to get started. Now let's adjust the settings to add flights automatically. In the upper right corner of the Google Calendar interface, you'll see the settings icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the settings interface, scroll down until you find the option labeled Events from Gmail. You'll see a checkbox next to a statement that allows Google to automatically add events like flights to your calendar. Make sure this box is checked. This feature is a lifesaver, as it ensures that your flight confirmations sent to your Gmail are automatically added to your calendar without you having to lift a finger. Once that's all set, click on the arrow in the upper left corner to return to the main calendar page. But what if you want to add a flight manually? No worries, Google Calendar makes that easy too. Back on the main calendar page, find the Create button. Click on it to open a new event window. Now let's fill in the flight details. In the title field, enter the flight number along with the destination. Be as specific as possible here so your calendar remains organized and clear. Next, you need to set the date and time of the flight. Make sure you're selecting the correct options so you don't end up at the airport on the wrong day or time. Pay special attention to your time zone. Selecting the correct time zone is crucial, especially if your flight is international. Once you've ensured all the details are accurate, click OK. Finally, don't forget to save your newly created event. Simply click the Save button, and there you have it. Your flight details are now on your Google Calendar. Whether you're automatically importing your flight details from your Gmail or entering them manually, keeping your schedule updated in Google Calendar can save you from last-minute scrambles. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has empowered you to take charge of your travel plans. Enjoy seamless scheduling and keep those travel blues at bay by efficiently using your Google Calendar.